Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushree. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called Elf Cosmetics. Okay, now this brand has been recently launched in India and as well as on Nykaa as well. Okay, so I have initially ordered 3 products and I wanted to give it a try how it is, and as you all know, I'm crazy about eye makeup, so I have ordered something related to eye. Okay, so I have ordered this Elf Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So this is how it looks, and it comes with this kind of a packaging. Okay, so I've just a very basic packaging. Now Elf Cosmetics doesn't waste money, or you can tell it as they don't invest more on packaging, so it's a very basic packaging of Elf Cosmetics. Okay, so this is how the packaging has come, and this is the eyebrow pencil, and it comes along with the spoolie, which is the best thing. Okay, now the pencils which have spoolie along with it, you have to grab them. Okay, because you don't have to take another spoolie with you and go around. If you have a spoolie with you along with the product, then it's more convenient for you to use. Okay, so I have taken in the shade Deep Brown, and I will be showing you how I have done this eye look. Okay, and I have used the same product to do my eyebrows as well. Okay, so I'll just swatch it. This is how it is. Okay, now I'll show you why I was disappointed basically. Now this works. It's a okayish product, I can tell you. Now what happened is, the moment I got this, when I was trying out how it basically looks, now it's very hard, you know. You have to put a lot of pressure and then you can do your eyebrows. So this is what it is I didn't like about this product. It has to be little creamy enough, you know, so that you don't use much pressure to do your eyebrows, but then this is not like that, and this becomes blunt. Okay, as you can see, this becomes blunt and it's difficult for you to, you know, go to those corners and do it. And the next part is this. I don't know why was this. Now this is a problem with the retractor, you know, these kind of pencil. So this was the disappointing part about this, and it is very hard, you know, but it's okay. And the price wise, I think it's fine. The MRP of this is 250 rupees, so you're getting a spoolie and the eyebrow product as well, so it's okay. I think it's manageable. So here, this is the one, and the next one is this cute eyeshadow palette, a small eyeshadow palette, a mini one. I was very keen to know like whether it is going to be you know, it's going to give that kind of pigmentation or not, because the pricing was very low. It was very affordable. This was priced at 350, I believe. Yeah, so this was priced at, let me check, yeah, 350, but I got this for 263 rupees. Okay, on offer. So basically now I don't think so there is any offer going on, but as you know, on Nykaa you keep getting offers every now and then, so you can grab it on offer. But let me tell you, the eyeshadow is really good. Let me quickly give you swatches. You can check the shade. Okay, shades are really very good. Very pigmented. Can you just see that blue one is the intense pigment, you know, it's really very good. And this is in the shade Carnival Candy. So the shade of this is Carnival Candy, and this comes in 4 other variants also, so if you want you can grab them. And you can see the pigmentation in the video how I have created this eye makeup along with the same eyeshadow palette. Okay, and the next one is this liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade 24 karat gold. So this is priced at 590 rupees, but I think on offer I got it at 354 rupees, so it was a good deal on offer. This is how it is. Good for all kind of occasions, basically any parties, weddings, it's good for that. You just have to apply this, and you know, you can just apply it overall your eye and you're good to go, just like that. You don't have to apply anything else. So let me swatch it for you. Can you see how beautifully pigmented this glitter is? It needs some time to set. Okay, so yes, these are the swatches of these 3 products. So let's get into the video where I have created this eye look along the same product. So you will see there whether these products are worth buying or not, and then later after that video I will be telling you about the review of these products. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so you just saw the video and I think you must be liking the eye look what I have created. Let me give you a closer look. Looks nice, isn't it? Okay, so this is the first time I'm using this glitter. By the way, I haven't tried it before, like the Elf Cosmetics one. I have tried another brand but not this. So this was like directly today I just applied. Now what I felt about this glitter is you have to apply one coat. I think to get this intense pigmentation, I think I had to apply this 3 to 4 times on it to get this intense look. Okay, so what I actually felt while I was applying this was you have to wait for some time once you're done with first coat, and it breaks down a bit, but after some time you have to reapply it again. So I think according to the price wise it's all right, it's manageable. So if you are looking for a glitter eyeshadow, then obviously you can invest on this on offer. Okay, yeah, this is what I can tell you. I will not tell you to invest 590 rupees for this because I don't find it that great kind of a product, but it's okay, you can buy, and if you want to just create some looks and if you have some patience to apply 2-3 times, and you are going to get this look. Okay, and it's very simple. If not, if you don't want this look to be created, you can just apply this glitter and just use your fingers and blend it out. Like, let me show you. Like, you apply it all over your lid like this. Okay, and just blend it. Okay, so you will have that glittery kind of an effect in your eye. So you can purchase this. Yeah, I will recommend it on offer. If there is any offer, then you can grab this. And I think there are 5 more shades available along with this. So I wanted to purchase the gold one because, you know, parties and everything, you can apply this, because gold goes with most of your attire. So that's why I purchased the gold one. But there are many more shades available, so you can give them a try as well. And yeah, I am going to recommend this eyeshadow palette. It is very tiny, it is very travel friendly, and you know, it's very small. It's like, yeah, it's very small and tiny. You can carry it. Pigmentation is amazing, and you don't have to be regretting after buying this. And you know, you just get one palette and you can create a lot of eye looks along with this you know, palette, you know. See, basically, if you're having this eyeshadow palette, you have a blue color. Blue color getting in eyeshadow palettes is difficult, but you get it in this. And I think there are more variants available, as I told you earlier, so you can check it out which color you want, which shade you want. Neutrals are better because on an everyday basis you can use these 3 shades, and occasionally you can mix and match or do anything, you know, any kind of an eye look you can create with neutral colors if you are having this. Okay, so I highly recommend this eyeshadow palette. I think it's very affordable as well, so you can go with this. And the next one, what I told you, was the eyebrow pencil. Yeah, according to the price range, I think it's a okayish product. You can buy them. Let me tell you that these products are cruelty free and 100% vegan. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, till then, stay home, stay safe, keep looking gorgeous. Thank you.